Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are doing one more scratch project. This is basically a game. You can see we have one baseball ground. We have one ball. So what you have to do, when you press this ball, your score will be increased by one. This ball will move to the random position. You have to click it. Okay. So let's see how it actually works. So this ball is moving. So I have to press it. If I press, my score is increased by one. Like this. With 4, I have timer also. So I have set the timer for 30 seconds. If you want to increase it, you can. Yes, this is very small game. In this, what you have to do, you have to press the Sprite. So here the Sprite is your baseball, with basketball, sorry. When you press it, your score will be increased by one and your timer will decrease by 1 second each time. Okay, so we have two variables. I have used the score. The second variable that I have used is the timer. But it we will see how we can create it. Okay, so your first step is you have to take the background. So I will go to this and I will choose the background. You can choose any according to your requirement. So I prefer this and I will delete this surprise. Okay, then I will delete this surprise. Okay, I want a basketball. So I will go here and type basketball. Yes, here is a ball. So I will take it. Now I have this surprise. I have my background. So my next step is so I want it to move to random position. Okay, my first step is it will move to the random position. So when my green flag play, I will make one variable that is score. I will write the score, my variable, and I will write OK. Okay. Initially, I want to set my score to 0, right? My score is 0. Then, then I will go to the control section. Under control section, I have the forever loop. Under forever loop, I will go to this and I want my surprise, my board to move to the random position. I will wait for only 1 second. Okay, under control, we have wait for 1 second and it will move to the next position. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is moving from one position to another position, right? Then, when I click the surprise, when I click the surprise, what happened? I want the pop-up sound. I want my pop-up sound. So I will write, you have to send this and I will change my score to 1. You can even change the sound from the pop-up sound or you can add any other sound. But I am using the basketball sound. Then I want my score to change to 1. Okay, now let's see. Yes, it's coming. I press it. My score is increasing. Yes, yes, it is doing this. But now I want to put the some timer here. Okay, so to put the timer, I will write when my flash clicks. Okay, let's stop this. When my flash clicks, I want to make another variable that is the timer. I am making one more variable that is timer and I will write set my variable that is timer to 30 seconds because I want 30. So I'm just writing the 30 seconds. Then I will go to control. I will add my forever loop. So here I will wait for only 1 second. Then what I happen? I want to change my timer by -1. Put -1, right? Again, then I will add the operation. Sorry, firstly control. Then I will put if and then. If my timer, because once my timer is 0, I have to stop my program, right? So I will write once my timer, wait, I will apply this condition. here and put the timer, the variable here and put 1, this is 0. Then what I have to do? I have to stop the program. So I will write stop all. I will put the stop all. Okay, see, we have I have created three codes for the three different things. First is my ball is moving to the different or the random places. Okay, so when my flash clicks, my score is 0. Initially, my score is 0. Then my ball will move from one place to another place and here and there. Okay, and it will wait for only 1 second. Okay, then when I click the surprise, when I click the ball, it must up. Okay, so it's a sound like a pop up so that I will come to know like I pressed the Sprite. And once I save the Sprite, then what happens? My score will increase by 1. Every time my score will increase to 1 when I click on the Sprite. Got it? Then we have another code for the timer. So for timer, so I initially set the timer to 30 seconds. Then in loop, again I have just 1 second. After 1 second, I want it to decrease to by -1. Every time it should decrease by -1, right? Then I apply the if loop here. So if my timer equals to 0, then I have to stop my project. So when my time is out, then the project must stop and we are able to calculate our complete score. Got it? You have to try this. If you face any issue, just comment it down. I'm here to help you. Do like it, share and subscribe for more videos.